Imagine being 6 years old, sitting in class while every other child around you is eating a warm pie and you have nothing. Now, imagine your teacher recording you while all this is happening. And that's exactly what happened at Thembalethu Primary School in George. And the video has now sparked outrage across Mzansi. But the details of what happened next are even more disturbing.
Hey everyone, this is your quick update on the biggest headlines in Mzansi. Here's what we need to know so far.
During a school fundraising event known as Pie Day, learners brought money to buy pies and enjoy them during class. But one grade 1 boy didn't have money. His mother reportedly couldn't afford to contribute. Instead of quietly helping the child or handling the situation with compassion, the teacher allegedly did something shocking. She took out her phone and started recording. In a now viral clip, learners can be seen happily eating their pies at their desks, but one child sits there with nothing. And the boy eventually covers his face in embarrassment while the video continues. Then, things get even worse. The teacher can reportedly be heard mocking the boy and even telling other children not to share their pies with him. According to Western Cape Education Department, the teacher claimed the video was meant to show that the boy was the only learner excluded from receiving the fundraising item. But the department says the way it was done, it was totally inappropriate. The teacher has now been temporarily suspended while a formal investigation takes place. The incident has sparked real anger in the community. Parents gathered outside the school in protest, demanding accountability. Education officials were sent to the school to meet with community members and calm tension. But something powerful also happened after the story went viral. Influencer Mandisi Chingana asked people on social media to donate money to support the child, and many people opened their hearts and their wallets. What started as a humiliating moment for one small boy has now turned into a national conversation about dignity, poverty, and compassion in schools. But now the question is, was the teacher trying to make a point, or did she cross a line that should never be crossed with a child? That's it for now, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.